So this is the cleaned knife. I just cleaned it and I'm trying to sharpen it. So this one I found it when I was a little boy. I found it on the streets of Craiova. It was laying on the border walk. It was full of dust and wet mud. It was in a mess. I picked it up and cleaned it at home. Now I cleaned it again to be more shiny for this video, and hopefully we can sharpen it to see how sharp it can get. You are hearing a lot of voice because my kids are here and are playing around me. Okay. So this is the knife that I found when I was a little boy. It was found on the streets. We cleaned it now, so it's pretty shiny. As you can see, it looks like a handmade knife. Doesn't have any inscriptions on it. So if you have any idea who could have made it, please write in the comments. And also tell me what you think about it. It's very little and is very beautiful, I can say. I like the handle. It's a plastic material, I think. Yeah. We will try to sharpen it to see how it gets. Okay. So this is the blade. I will wet the stone. And we will try to first to get the angle first of the whole blade. So as you can see, I put two fingers on it and now it's in its original angle. And the movement is from the knife outside the blade, not from the outside into the blade. As you can see, I put and pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Okay. I think we'd have to try something much bigger in granularity. Let's see. Let's see how it goes, this one. Okay, I will try to use here to have the Spațiu tătine.
Îmi place, îmi place să-mi faci un cadou acum.
I think I'll put it on pause. Because it will take a while. Maybe half an hour or 1 hour. We need to be patient. To have some patience. You don't have to push really hard. What I'm doing now is very relaxing. You can try it at home, guys. Get yourself a Whetstone sandstone and try to sharpen your pocket knives. It will relax you. You will be amazed how relaxing it is to do this. As you can see, we took a lot of material. So this is what we are looking for. We are looking for this, having the shininess as close as possible to the sharpening edge, the sharp edge.
Whoa.
My kids are playing. Now we are on the side of 10,000. So it's much smaller granularity with the stone. This should get our knife even sharper. I don't think we will have it razor sharp, so I don't think it will cut here, but let's see that if we can get it to cut paper. So at this point our blade looks like this. So let me try to focus it here. So let's see how it cuts. Let's taste it. So here is not okay. Whoa, cuts really well.
Opresc. De atâta. Gata, am oprit. Eu nu știu ce s-a întâmplat.
Wow, what a clean cut here. Okay, let's see like this.
Wow.
Okay, let's see if we can get some bendings with it. It can be sharpened much better. But I don't think that this stone of 10,000 it's enough to get it more sharper. I'm not sure. Let's see it again. Whoa. Being a short blade, it's hard to do a good move when you cut. So you need also a move. So these were two. Let's see one. Only one. It's very sharp, I can say. Look here. If he managed to enter the paper, it will cut it perfectly. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. It's a pleasure cutting with it. We will try next time in the part 2 to sharpen it much better. I think I will use also leather, and I hope it will cut hair as well, razor sharp.